Now open up your book and let's come to today's topic, which is Let's Learn Sounds on page number 22 and 23. On these two pages, there are two poems given. The first poem is about Aksa and the second one is about Naima. First, carefully listen to the first poem about Aksa.
Aksa folded her quilt and mopped up the juice she had spilled. Then she quietly did the broom and quickly tidied up her room. Aksa twisted and turned in bed. A horrible pain had started in her head. It was 12 o'clock at night. She stood up and turned on the light. By now, the pain was twice as bad. If only it stopped, Aksa would be glad.
Now carefully listen to the poem about Naima.
Naima decided to play a trick, so she tried to act sick. But the doctor knew right away. Naima wasn't being truthful that day. I went for a checkup on Thursday. The doctor wanted to see if I was okay. He used a thermometer to check if I was ill and looked in my throat as I sat still.
Now try to read these two poems by yourself and then look at the highlighted consonant blends at the start of different words. Consonant blends produce a special consonant sound. For example, let's look at the word thermometer from the poem. T and H are both consonants and they have their own sounds. So, when they come at the start of the word, two consonants combine together or they blend to produce a special sound. It is known as initial consonant blend. Now, let's do an activity. Make more words with the consonant blends and write them on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. For example, I wrote the word stars.